There's nothing you can say to make me change my mind. This elevator sure is taking its own time, and it's gotta stop, so here we are, between the first and second floor. You brought me here, but you're the reason I'm not staying anymore. I am leaving this town. I don't wanna hang around where the people live in towers, the dreams run underground. I am leaving this town. Ever since you let me down, I've been dreaming of leaving this town. Big city life is bad for you right from the start. Where all the flowers on the pavement get down. I get you wrong, 'cause you're so fragile, and I'm just preoccupied with all the noises from the traffic and the chaos in your eye. I am leaving this town. I don't wanna hang around where the people live in towers and the drinks run underground. I am leaving this town. Ever since you let me down, I've been dreaming of leaving this town. I will always wonder the things I left unsaid. What was the impression I have left in your head? The nights in the streets, broken bottles on the pavement. I robbed you of your autumn, but I thought that I could save it. Thought that you could save it, but you left it at the start. You thought that you could save it, but you left it at the start. I am leaving this town. I don't wanna hang around where the people live in towers and the drinks run underground.